Hey folks, my name is Jim Aspel. I'm a board certified workers' compensation attorney in Farmington, Connecticut, and today I wanted to talk to you about spinal cord stimulators, and in particular, settling a workers' compensation claim where the claimant has a spinal cord stimulator implanted. If you don't know what they are, a spinal cord stimulator is a medical device that typically a pain management physician will insert into the claimant's low back, directly into their spinal cord, that provides semi-permanent pain relief for those suffering from chronic radicular pain. The people that do have them tend to have very good results. The doctors are very careful about who they select for these procedures, and overall, it's been one of those tremendous advances in modern medicine. Now, if we have a claimant and they're trying to settle their workers' compensation case, it's interesting if they have a spinal cord stimulator implanted. And those cases typically have very significant value. The reason being that, quite frankly, spinal cord stimulators are very, very expensive. We have one in the office now that we're trying to settle the case. The spinal cord stimulator, the price tag for one is approximately $80,000. Now, the other reason that these cases are so valuable is because a spinal cord stimulator has a set life expectancy. Typically, studies have shown that a spinal cord stimulator will last approximately 7 years. So depending on the claimant's age, they may need more than one spinal cord stimulator going forward. Obviously, the younger the person is, the greater the number of spinal cord stimulator replacements they're going to need. So at $80,000 a pop, as you can imagine, the price tag on the settlement goes up quite quickly. Now, in addition to the replacement cost of the stimulator itself, there's the additional cost of keeping the spinal cord stimulator tuned, as they say. And generally, this takes 2 appointments a year with your pain management specialist where they adjust the settings and they do whatever is necessary to tune up the spinal cord stimulator during its lifespan to make sure that it's operating at maximum efficiency. Those appointments typically are going to run $250 a pop, and those would be included in the settlement factor. Now, on top of the tuning, the stimulator itself, you're also going to have the appointments with your pain management physician. And generally, if you have a spinal cord stimulator implanted, you're looking at a lifetime of monthly or every 6 weeks amount of visit to your pain management specialist. And again, the cost of those things does add up. So that's really why these spinal cord stimulator cases are so valuable. It's primarily the price tag associated with them. It's largely medically driven. People that have a spinal cord stimulators implanted generally have a work capacity. They typically have at least a light duty work capacity. We've seen some where they do have a full duty capacity. That's how much relief the stimulator actually provides them. So when you're trying to settle these, it's not so much the indemnity or the non-medical portion of the case that's driving the value, but it's the cost of the stimulator, the replacement, its maintenance, and the doctors who are attending to it that drive up the case. So if you're in a situation where you do have a spinal cord stimulator implanted, you are considering settling the case, I'd strongly advise you to talk to an attorney who specializes in workers' compensation, somebody that's got some experience in valuing those cases, because you most certainly do not want to sell yourself short, or you may find yourself on the receiving end of a very large and unexpected medical bill if you haven't taken the cost of the stimulator into effect when you settle the case. Okay? If you have any questions, give us a call. We're in Farmington, 860-523-8783. You can visit our website. There's a lot of information there. It's www.ctworkinjurylawyer.com. And I hope you have a good day. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'd invite you to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.